Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Do you want a stunning Shopify store but think design is too complicated? Let me show you how to use Canva, the ultimate beginner-friendly design tool to make your store pop without any coding or experience or expensive software. So, step 1 is navigating to canva.com and login or signing up using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see this page. So, inside you will find thousands of templates made for everything like logos, banners, social media posts, and even Shopify specific graphics. Pick a template that matches your brand vibe. Start with your logo. It's the face of your brand. So, click on the plus create option. Now, search for logo. Now, click on logo option and that will create a custom space where you can easily generate your brand's logo. Now, you will get thousands of templates in this template section. You can search your specific niche like shoes and hit enter and it will show up templates related to shoe. Now, for example, I will choose this template. Here, I can easily tweak the color of the shoes or any element that will be available on the screen. You can also create custom banner and hero images. So after creating a logo and editing it anyhow you want, you can also add text, another text, or you can just edit this text, increase the font size, choose another font style. If you want, you can edit font color, the background color. After you do this, you'll have to click on share icon and click on download and click on download again. And you would have successfully created a logo for your Shopify store. Now, creating a custom banner and hero images. So, make your homepage shine with eye-catching banners. Use Canva's pre-sized templates or custom dimensions to fit Shopify's homepage. So, you can navigate back to Canva's project section or just navigate back to home and search for banners. Click on banners and this will open up an area where you can easily edit a banner. You can search for thousands of templates for banners too. For example, I will choose this template. Now, I can easily tweak the design for this template by choosing background color, text, and anything I want on this page. So make sure that you edit the text for your banner and make it unique so you can create a custom banner that has your brand color, text overlays, call to action to grab attention instantly. Now, step 4 is designing product graphics and social media assets. So if you want a standout product images or social posts, Canva let you create engaging graphics like new arrival, tags, or sealed budgets. Design once, then reuse the style to keep everything consistent across your store and socials. Now, step 5 is exporting and uploading to Shopify. So once your design are ready, click on share icon at the top, click on download again. After downloading the element that you have created on Canva, you'll have to navigate back to Shopify store, navigate to online store. This will take you to your theme. We can click on customize. And for example, if I would have to add another image banner for my home page, I will click this, click on select on image 1. I will choose add files. Choose the image that I downloaded from my PC's directory. This will instantly upload this Shopify's media library where I'll have to select it and click on done, and that will instantly change this image banner on my Shopify store. Now as you can see, it's still not adjusted and it's out of the screen. So what you can also do is increase the height or size for this or just choose adapt to first image and that will instantly adjust it. You can do the same with all the featured products and all the pages on your Shopify store. Also, if you upgrade to Canva Pro, you will get a brand kit to save your fonts, colors, and logos. Perfect for keeping your stores look consistent as you grow. No fancy design degree? No problem. Canva's intuitive tools make it easy to grab attention and build trust. So design is smarter, not harder. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.